In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a number field in ClickUp, Numeric Tracking 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a number column to a list, so you can record counts, scores, or any other numeric values right alongside your tasks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to clickup.com. Log into your account using your preferred method, email and password or a connected provider. Use whichever option you normally use. The process is the same once you're in. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. From here, look to the left sidebar to find your spaces and projects. We're going to a place where tasks live, because the number field is added at the list level. Navigate into the space and folder, then open the specific list where you want to track numbers for your tasks. Inside your list, you'll see your tasks in a grid, with column headers across the top. Move your cursor to the far right end of the header row and click the plus button to add a new column. This opens the field picker, which lets you add different types of custom fields to your list. In the search bar of the field picker, type number. When the number option appears, click it to add the field to your list. You'll now see a new number column appear in your task table, ready for data entry. Let's talk about what the number field does and how to use it effectively. A number field is designed for numerical values only, perfect for things like quantities, priority scores, story points, capacity, or any metric you want to measure. It supports whole numbers and decimals, so you can be as precise as you need. Because it's a true numeric field, you can sort tasks by this column, filter tasks based on thresholds, and use it in reports and dashboards for sums and averages. If you're tracking something that needs a currency symbol or time-based estimates, ClickUp has dedicated field types for those. But for pure numeric tracking, this is the right choice. Once the column is in place, click into any cell in the number column and start typing values. Keep your naming and usage consistent across tasks, so your totals and filters stay meaningful. If you don't see the plus button or can't add fields, make sure you're in a list where you have permission to edit fields, and that you're using a view that supports columns. That's it. You've added a number field and set yourself up for clean, flexible numeric tracking right in your task list.